everybody, I'm Jared, Escape Adventures Director. I'm going to take you into some video footage today in a really neat place called the Sawtooth Range in Idaho in the Boise National Forest. Now what's great about this area is the primitive single track. Absolutely stunning, awesome scenery, great riding. But what's even better than that is the fact that every day after your ride, you finish off sitting in a backcountry hot spring, looking at beautiful scenery, absolutely awesome. We hope you enjoy this video and some of the footage we shot as we do guiding. Thanks for joining. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video footage as I did filming it. And I hope to have you out on a trip someday. And remember, live your dreams, don't dream your life. Thanks for joining us.